Happy Tube! Today we're gonna make muffins. We're gonna make like a very delicious muffin. So first of all, we have the mixer, and at the top here, what you see is there are numbers. And if you, okay, get my hand away from there. And if you turn it on, it goes. Okay, so we're gonna put away the mixer. Second of all, we have these little plastic containers so that like it's easy, like we can put the muffins in here. And then of course we should have trays. So this is the tray, cooling rack, our bowl, so that we can mix it inside here with all the ingredients in front of here. We have oil. It's all yellow and mostly bubbly inside. Milk. Yummy, yummy milk. We have 2 unboiled eggs. It's not boiled egg. As soon as you open it, it's gonna like get to your hand. It's gonna spill out like chickens. This is one of the muffin mix. I feel like something like so fluffy and they're like very soft sand, like flour maybe. We have spoons. We have 2 big spoons. Maybe one to share with my brother, and I have to introduce him. Okay, he's right there. Okay, so now let's get started. So, we have our bowl here. Now, first of all, we are going to start with our milk. Thank you. And remember, you should always have an adult to help you. If you do it by yourself, it's going to be bad. So we pour it in. Ugh. Now, remember, we're going to put our oil. Ooh. It's okay. Even though it's buff, it's okay. Pour everything. There you go. We always make mistakes, and it's okay.
Maybe you can do it.
Oh, great. Okay. Not getting close to it. Okay, so now we're gonna use the mixer. First, remember to put it in first and just mix it just a little bit. And then we start with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tap, tap, tap. We leave it here. So next, we're gonna put. Does this look like flour? I mean, not really, actually. Let's get about half. Everything?
Yum. It's gonna be really yummy.
Start mixing again, okay? Go. 1, 4, 5, 6, heavy, 7, 8, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Stop.
Daddy, it's on your shoe.
Our parents had a very good idea. So we need parents. Tap, 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 tap. We are gonna tap, tap, tap all day long. This is color pink. This is color yellow. Let's have 3 on each one. And we have 2 color blues. Let's do this. We're gonna put about half. Pick one of the cups. Okay? Let's give them up. Do you see that? Same last time, okay?
Yippee.
So now let's keep on working on the others. Actually, the thing about it is it's so hard to get these yellow stuffs out of the spoon. Good, but just tap. What did you eat it? try a little cup now. Ah! Wait. I love noodles. Oh.
You mean ramen noodles?
Ooh, those are one of my favorite noodles. Ooh, I think that's too much. How about if we just add that one? Ooh, last one. Ooh, I am sure it's gonna get on the table. Ooh, yikes. Stuck in the spoon!
There you go. I don't want my finger on my hand
What
to
else
get
am I gonna
really.
Get out! You little yellow slimy! Now we are gonna put it in the oven.
Alright, I'll put it in.
Now let's put it in. Remember, we should have our parents putting it in. 20 minutes? Seriously? We are doing 20 minutes.
It's not. I will look at the numbers.
Look at this. Do you see, guys? It's getting and it's gonna be a muffin. My favorite is the white background and the red hearts one, and that one with the red background and the white hearts is my brother's favorite. It's like getting bigger and taller.
You have to do 180 Celsius.
You cannot do it by yourself because it's so hot and you might burn yourself. So you should always adult together so that you can be safe. Ooh, it's getting bigger. Okay, no.
You can make
Oh, look at that! Only 35 seconds left. I'm shaking my butt. I'm very ready. Ready.
10, 9,
Always watch.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! So this is how it looks like when it's done.
You have to let it cool for about 5 minutes.
Daddy, my arm hurts so much.
Really? It's not hot anymore. So now we have done baking these. So now we're gonna start eating them. Wait a second. We need forks. Let's go get the forks. Okay. I can choose my muffin first. I will have to choose this one. I like that burned part.
My favorite's this one. Let me taste it. Kind of like a plastic. Best thing ever.
So yummy.
Best thing ever.
So, if you had very fun with this video, then you can subscribe it. Also, if you want to search my name, go ahead. A
Be funny.
B B Y.